Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eva and this channel is on fashion. In today's video, I just want to show us what is new in my closet, because if you know me and you know this channel, I have been styling and restyling my same old pieces. So I decided to get a couple new ones and I want to show us today. I just do not want to spring them on us. So stay tuned. How are you and how have you been? Let me know in the comment section. Most of what I'm going to be showing us today are more of tops because I sew, so I make my own pants. But I got 4 pairs of pants today and they are jeans. I keep saying it, I am not a jeans girl. They are beautiful, but if I were asked to choose, give me tailored pants, please. But I wanted to explore that part of me, so I got 4 pairs of jean pants and I'm going to be sharing them with us today. First up, I am going to be showing us this jacket that I wore in my last video. Y'all know how objects appear closer than they are inside mirrors. Well, clothes online appear prettier than they are, and they edit it so much that you don't see what you look out for. Personally, I check color, I check fabric type, and so many other things. It is oversaturated, you don't know what you are seeing. They bring another color for you, or so many shades lighter or darker than what you saw. But that notwithstanding, I can make them work. So yeah, and I size up. Almost all the time I size up. This is a size 14. I love the sleeve length. The material is suede, and for the color, it can serve as a neutral color that can go with a lot of things. Or maybe when I start styling it, then I'll know what it can go with and what it can't. But this is option number 1. I have always wanted to get a jacket like this, but the ones I see, they are leather and they are almost always in black. Black. I didn't want black. So I saw this. The color was looking richer than this. I guess it's not. For the second top, this is the waistcoat. I love the color, I love the fit. Though the sizing reads large, this is a thick chiffon material, but I have worked on it. I have tailored it to my size, and I also love the length. I love that I can also rock this as a top, just the waistcoat as a top. However, when it came, I immediately knew that these were not the follow-come buttons. First of all, the stitching was rough on the back, but when I was washing it, I found the follow-come button in one of the pockets. Now look at this. Look at this button against the one it came with. You will find that this one is more fitting than this one. But that notwithstanding, I still like it. I can still work with it. It's cute. And it matches with one of my caps. This is already a look. This is already an ensemble. You know how I've been saying I want to get another waistcoat, depending when I make others or get others. Now I have to. Cool. This is the third piece. Now you see the potential, right? But if this jacket were what I imagined it to be, it will eat more than this right now. I love the structured shoulders. I love that it is in red, but it is very flappy. It is like a regular top, just that it is made into a blazer with a shoulder pad. But I don't know how to explain what I expected of this jacket, but it is not giving it to me. And the material, the fabric type is those that after a couple washes, it is going to shrink. Also, it is the type that when you do too much in it, it's going to rumple. Like one squeeze, it is rumpled already. You know the kind of material blazers are made with. This is not it. It is not thick enough. The color, yes, I love the contrasting buttons, beautiful. I love the padded shoulder, the short sleeves, the length, nice, but there are so many things that are left to be desired. The seams are showing on the inside. That is not very blazer behavior, and I'm a blazers girl, so give me 100% blazer, please. This is not it, but it's cool. I can work with this regardless. This is the back, the front. cute, but it could be more. It definitely can be more. Next up is this neat top. I got it because of the colors running through it. I think they are well coordinated and it has a bit of pearls or blings or some studs or gem details on it. Nice. And most importantly, for this ruffle detail here, I think it's beautiful. Now, this top came with buttons. I do not know why it came with buttons. I have taken the buttons out because it was a bad idea. I took the buttons out. I wanted to fix a zip here. I will still do that, but I haven't been able to. I have used tailoring pins to hold it in place at the point where the buttons were so that you see what the problem is. This thing is open. I can't work with this. Look, what is this? I can't wear this. I am going to instead sew on a zipper to the front. I think it's going to be better and I am going to be covered. But that is a very small problem. Other than that, I love the top. I love the colors, and I'm trying to incorporate more colors in my closet. So these days I go for more colorful than I go for neutrals and blacks and whites. I think this is the only neat top I own. Yeah, that is also one of the reasons why I got it. This is the next piece. This is exactly how it came. I haven't touched this. I haven't done anything. I always size up because I would rather it is oversized than it is too tight on me. Too tight is not a power look. It is never a power look, and that is not even my style. So I don't even go there, especially when I'm not shopping for the pieces in person. Yeah, I try to size up so that I don't get stories when they get to me. I haven't decided what to do with this. I may work on it and take it in a little bit. I may just rock this as is, or I may, try and do fun things with it and the size. So yeah, anything goes. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with it, but I like it. I said I was going to get more colors of shirts in my wardrobe, and then I go and buy black. Who does that? Anywho, I like it. It stays. I am going to try and have fun styling it. Yeah. Next up is this jacket that I also wore in my last video, where I talked about details that you may miss in your clothing or you may have seen and don't know what they are for. I will leave it linked. This is the jacket I wore. This is not how it came. Obviously, I have tampered with it. I cut the sleeve. It was hanging somewhere that was weird. I didn't just like it. I cut it. It was longer than this. It was supposed to be a crop jacket. So why are you longer than my half length? I cut that as well. I took out the band, I shortened it, then I fixed the band back. I think I'm going to do something else. I am going to take out the sleeve entirely and use something else that is colorful and redo the sleeves. I'm going to show us when I'm done. I think that is going to be better and more unique than what it is looking like right now. Now, though this is cute and all, I think it is basic. I think this can definitely be more, and I may touch up the bodice a little bit. Moving on to this very unique piece that I got. I don't even know what to call it. It's a blazer. It's a half blazer, or it is like a blazer that was cut out, right? All the seriousness is not there. It's double-breasted with a touch of sexy. I have touched it a little bit. I have also shifted the buttons so that I do not have to take in the seams, right? So that the double-breastedness, is serious, and also there is no cleavage action. So something else I can do is to take this up like this, or the both of them, right? When you don't want to do too much or show too much skin. But I really like it. It's very unique. It's something that I can pair over other things and underneath. other things. I think it's very versatile. So yeah, we are going to be seeing lots of this on this channel. So the next piece is this crochet top that I had someone make for me. This is not the color that I chose. You know, she couldn't find a lighter orange. I wanted orange and brown, but a very light shade of orange. But she didn't see that. So we use this very orangey wool to make this. You can see this, very neat. Her work is actually very neat. I love it. It's like, you know, just a tube kind of corset top. I haven't worn this, so it is new to me, though I got it like weeks ago. This is how it works. It goes on whatever or underneath whatever. Yeah, this is very cute, and it's also perfect for a pop of color. Like when you want to do a pop of color on anything, this is your piece. And that is that for that. So I decided that this video is already long enough, so I do not bore you. I have decided to show us the jean pants that I got in my next video. I will show us the pants, and maybe I'll style it one way or two for us in the next videos. This one is already long, right? Let's call it a day. That is all I have for us today on this haul. Let me know which piece was your favorite, and also let me know if when you buy your stuff, what you order is what you always get, or is it just me? And also let me know how you size when you buy. Do you size up, do you size up down, or do you buy true to size? And also bear in mind that different brands have different sizing, so of course it is going to differ. That is all I have for us today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for watching up until this point. My name is Eva, and this channel is on fashion. Have a good day now. Bye.